All right, here we go. This is section 1.2, number 10. Okay, number 10 says this. Says find all the real solutions to your equations. Okay, so when is, if this is your function right here, when is it equal to negative 5? And when is it equal to 0? And you know f of x really means y equals. So this graph right here is something that looks like this. This is a graph that you should know from a previous class, but if not, just type it in your calculator. There it is. In fact, here it is on the calculator. Whoops. So it goes right here. This is an asymptote. This is a horizontal asymptote. It is y equals 0. There's a vertical asymptote at x equals 0. This thing comes really close but never touches. This one comes really close but never touches also and also. So it never really ever crosses 0. This function is never y equals 0. It never really hits this line. So this can't be done. But this one, it can. When does it hit? Okay, it hits right, when is y equal negative 5? Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. When does it hit this line? Y is equal to negative 5. Okay, on your graphing calculator, this is what you press. Okay, first of all, we have to write, okay, our first line is 1 over x. Our second one is going to be negative 5. Graph it. So it hits it right here. Some small point. To type this in your calculator, which you do need to know how to do, this is move. You press second, calculate. So second, calculate. Okay, and it's called the intersect. So we're going to hit 5. And when I do it, it's going to ask you first curve. The first curve is going to be, so arrow over, so it's got a blinky. There it is. No, I don't want that curve right there. I want this one and this one. So arrow over till you get to there. There it is. Okay, so the blue curve, then you press enter. And then the red line, press enter again. Guess, I don't know, I guess right over here. Move it over just a little bit. Press enter. And the answer is negative 0.02. When x is negative 0.02, that's the way you do it with a graph here, grapher, which this is the way you want to do it on this test. I'm going to show you how to do it by hand also, because actually doing it by hand is even easier. You should see this. All right, I'm going to get rid of the screen so you can see. So we want to know when f of x is negative 5. So I put negative 5 right there is equal to 1 over x. This is super simple. Cross multiply. You get negative 5x. Negative 5x is equal to 1 times 1, which is 1. Negative 5 times x is equal to 1 times 1. Divide by negative 5. Divide by negative 5. X equals negative 1/5. Which is the answer which we got before, just in decimal form. If you divide 1 divided by 5, it's the same as the decimal answer. That's it. Good luck.